Ever wondered what power your Windows command prompt holds? Well, it's time to unlock its potential. Today, I'll walk you through 5 powerful command prompt commands that will not only level up your tech game, but also save you loads of time troubleshooting your computer. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll feel like a CMD expert. Let's jump right in. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 5. Ping command. Starting with number 5 on our list, the ping command. This clever tool is your internet detective. Ping helps you test whether a certain website or system is reachable online and measures how long it takes to send data packets and get them back. Just type ping followed by a website address like pinggoogle.com and hit enter. CMD will instantly send requests to Google's server and display the results. Smart, right? Ping is your go-to tool whenever your browser says no internet. You can quickly test if the issue is with your internet provider or just the website you're trying to reach. A lifesaver for diagnosing pesky network problems. Number 4. ipconfig command. At number 4, ipconfig, think of it as your network report card. Simply type ipconfig into the command prompt, hit enter, and voila! CMD will spit out a detailed summary of all your network connections. Why is this useful? Well, say you're having Wi-Fi problems. ipconfig tells you your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. But here's the pro tip. Use ipconfig/release and then ipconfig/renew if you're struggling to connect. This trick refreshes your IP settings and could get you back online in seconds. Who needs a tech guy when you've got ipconfig, right? If you are interested to see more tricks and tips, check this video in the corner. Number 3. Traceroute command. Now for number 3, the traceroute command, short for traceroute. This is like your internet's GPS tracker. When you're having trouble accessing a website, traceroute followed by the website address tracks the route your data packets take to reach the destination. For example, typing traceroute@amazon.com shows each stop or node your data hits before landing at Amazon's server. If delays occur, you'll see exactly where the bottleneck is happening. Whether you're troubleshooting a local network or just curious about how traffic flows, traceroute's insight is pure gold. Number 2. Netstat command. Coming in at number 2 is netstat, short for network statistics. If you're wondering which applications are currently connected to the internet on your system, this one is a must-know. Type netstat into CMD and you'll see an entire list of your PC's active connections, plus their ports and statuses. This is particularly helpful if you suspect unauthorized activities on your computer, like a hidden app eating up your bandwidth. Add switches like netstat-ANO to get even more detailed info, like the process ID or PID linked to each connection. It's like having your personal cybersecurity monitor. Number 1. CLS command. And finally, at number 1 is CLS, which stands for clear screen. Now, this might seem simple, but don't underestimate its power. After running commands in CMD, your screen can quickly get cluttered with data. Instead of scrolling endlessly, just type CLS and hit enter. Boom, the screen's wiped clean, giving you a fresh slate to work with. This might not sound exciting, but trust me, a clean workspace is an efficient workspace, even in CMD. Plus, you'll save yourself loads of time when testing multiple commands in one go. That's it, folks. 5 awesome command prompt commands that can level up how you troubleshoot, optimize, and manage your computer. Whether you're resolving connection issues with ping, tracking data routes with traceroute, or clearing your workspace with CLS, CMD just became a lot less intimidating and you, a lot more tech savvy. Which command will you use first? Drop it in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like this video, share it with your tech-curious friends, and smash that subscribe button for more in-depth content like this. Until next time, happy commanding.